Well, I begun making the adapter for the air cleaner to fit the Bendix back plate up with the Mikuni carb. And what I'm using, I had a chunk of 3-inch diameter aluminum bar stock. So I started turning that out. It's going to take a little bit of turning to get it completed. I've got to bore it on the end to fit over the carburetor, and then I will be tapping it, drilling and tapping it in 4 places. Set screws to attach it, hold it to the carburetor, and then I'll have to bore 2.2 inches through the entire length of it. It's going to be probably about 1.75 inches long is all, and it's going to take some time to remove that much material though from the bar stock. And then I'll cut it off, turn it around and face the other end of it. Probably use the milling machine to put the 4 holes in for the set screws. So we'll see how it goes. I'll come back in a little bit when I get some more done on it. Well, here's the adapter piece I made. This is just an update on my progress on fitting the air cleaner to the Mikuni. This is the air cleaner that came on the Bendix carburetor. I've turned a recess down in here that slips on the inlet end of the carburetor, the outside end. This is the face that would I'll mount the air cleaner back plate to this with 3 screws. I've drilled 3 holes 120 degrees apart, drilled them and tapped them. Here's the Mikuni, and I've dressed that around there with some sandpaper just to smooth it off. It had some casting ridges on the top and on the bottom, so I've smoothed those off, and this goes on pretty well. I haven't drilled the holes yet. I'm going to have 3 set screws, 1/4 120 degrees apart, and these will screw into the collar and tighten against the flange here of the Mikuni, and that should hold it on in good shape. So I've got this fit pretty well. It's a nice sliding slip fit on there. It goes all the way home. That's what the inside of it looks like. It's a smooth transition. And then the Bendix backing plate, which you see here, you'll notice it has a recess on the carburetor side, and that's so that it fits back tighter over the carburetor. So this plate will, see if you can see that, it will go on just like this, and that's how it'll look top view of the carburetor with the air cleaner in place. And I'll just rotate that around until I can line up the 3 screws. There's the 3 screw holes, and that gets fastened into position, and then I'll put it on the machine. So that's just an update of where I'm at. I hope tomorrow to be able to get this mounted on the machine, and who knows, we might be kicking tomorrow trying to get that old girl started. Okay, thanks for watching.